Hey guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Assured Adjustable Wrist Support. Yeah, that's what I got on here. And this is the box. Yeah. So what this is it's support that you can put on your wrist if you're playing any kind of a sport. If you're an athlete, you know that a lot of times you could have problems with, say, your joints, or you could, twist things, and or you might be getting older and have problems, moving your wrists, or even your elbows, your knees, and everything, as you get older, and you need some support. This does the job. It really hugs you really tight, and it's really good for men and women, and you can use it every day. It's good for everyday use. I have not seen this in any other color but blue. There may be a black one out there, but yeah. And how it works is it's one straight band, that fits all the way around like that, and comes all the way back through, and you just put your thumb through a hole here, and it's just one big strap that straps around. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I like it a lot. It really hugs your wrist really well. I mean, you really feel it tight on there. Now, I know when you put it on, you're gonna have to put it tight, but make sure that when you put it on there, you're not putting it too crazy tight that your fingers start turning blue, or you lose circulation or anything, because you're gonna wanna put it on as tight as possible. And if you're like kind of a big guy like me, you may have an issue actually pulling it tight enough to get to the Velcro here, because I think it's one size fits all, because I don't see on the box where there's anywhere where it says this is like small or medium or anything. That is kind of like the downside. I mean, you can still use it, but if you're big, if you're like a big tall guy, you have to pull this pretty tight to get to the Velcro part. If you're small, you probably get that flap all the way over to the other side, but it still works. I mean, as long you just need a little piece on there, and it holds. The Velcro is very strong, and it holds, and you really feel the grip, the tightness, and you have that support. So if you're playing basketball or tennis, bowling, oh gosh, any kind of sport where you got to use your wrist, this is very necessary, and it's good even if you don't have pain, but you're trying to prevent yourself from ever having those kind of issues. This would be good too, like preventative, because if you have the support in the beginning, your bones will not have an issue, later, if you take the precautions early. That's something I should have done in my younger days. But, when you're a kid, you think you're Superman. But, yeah. Now, like I said, this is all one size fits all, men and women. I really wish it came in a different color, because although it looks fine, I would like a black one, because black is a little less conspicuous. It doesn't stand out as much, and a lot of times I don't want any kind of bandages or anything to kind of stand out so much, But this is fine. I think it's nice and interesting looking, and it looks nice, and it's soft, and it's kind of comfortable. It's very. I'm not going to say you don't feel like you have it on, but like when you want to move your thumb, you know, and your wrists and everything, you don't feel like there's like a cast on your wrist or your arm. It feels like you have something soft on there, yet you have the support on your wrist that you need to give you that extra, support so you can move like freely. Yeah. Oh, it's really good. Yeah. And another thing though, on the downside, it does kind of tend, if you have it really tight, to get hot. So if you're out playing on a hot day, you may feel a bit sweaty under there, and it may start to itch a little if you have sensitive skin. But other than that, it's pretty good. I like it a lot. All right, guys. Well, that's the Assured Adjustable Wrist Support. All right. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.